How to create this 3D effect. Open CapCut, select your clip. Select your second clip. Duplicate it. Then select the duplicated clip and drag it to overlay. Then remove that overlay clip's background. Select Auto Remove or Custom Remove. Now go to Mask section. Select Mirror Mask. Now I add a keyframe. After move the playhead slightly. Then I enlarge that mirror mask at the beginning. At this point, the black border starts shrink dynamically. Now you can add stickers or text for good look.